Hey, Angela.
Oh, hey Charles. How can I help you?
Yeah, could I get a coffee by any chance?
Of course. Your usual?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Cool. Coming right up. Here you are.
Cool. Thanks, Angela.
Bye. Where was I? Ah, yes. Reorganizing.
Good. No one's here.
You lying, cheating son of a bitch.
Gina, babe, what the hell? What's going on? Why do you have a blow dryer?
It's a gun. Don't act like you don't know. Janice told me everything. She told me that you cheated on me with Emma. Emma!
What? Babe, I swear I have no idea what you're talking about.
Janice, she came up to me and she said that you cheated on me with Emma. She said she saw you guys.
First of all, babe, just because you see LPS Tubers use blow dryers in videos as guns doesn't mean that's what they are. I have no idea why they do that. Oh. Secondly, Janice is jealous of our relationship. Of course she'd lie about something like that. I love you and only you. You're the only girl for me.
Oh, babe, I'm so sorry. You're totally right. Forgive me.
Of course.
Aw, I love you.
Aw, I love you too.
Now, I'm gonna find that traitorous whore and teach her a lesson. Toodles!
I am so turned on right now. Whoa, she's totally weird. What do you even see in her? Raymond, what the hell are you doing? How did you get here? When did you get in? How long have you been sitting there? Long enough. Long enough to know that Gina should totally be my girlfriend instead of yours. Am I right? I have a feeling that I could handle her. Dude, shut the fuck up. Why don't you come over here and make me? No, I was kidding!
Get back here, you spineless rodent. Get off of me, you weird loser. This is what you get for messing with my man, whore. You're dead, moron. What the hell did we just walk into?
I have no idea.
Are our friends drunk or something?
Probably. Knowing them.
Should we do something?
Nah, let's just go to the pool. I want to swim.
Sounds good to me. Let's go. Why are we even friends with these people?
I honestly don't know.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this somewhat crappy short film I filmed out of the blue. It's kind of short, so I apologize about that, but it was just like a random idea I had late at night. Oh, I think it was at like 1 in the morning. Whatever, I just wanted to say that I hope you enjoyed the video, and anything you need will be in the description box below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye! Oh yeah, and in case you didn't know, this is Emma, and this is Adam. It didn't really say his name in the film, but that's who he is. This handsome devil is Charles, and this is Gina, the lovely couple. This is Janice, and Raymond. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I know my guy voice. I don't know what that sound was. I know my guy voice sucks like really, really bad, and basically sounds like my voice, just a little deeper. But I'm trying. Okay, but enjoy the video. Sluts. Okay. Focus, focus, focus.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Angela. No, I don't like it. Hey, Angela. Oh no, that was terrible. Hey, Angela. I don't know. That was bad. Focus. Focus. Maybe that's as good as it's gonna get. Of course. No, he's not looking in our direction. Okay, there we go.
Here you are.
She just throws it at him. Oh, okay, okay. We're doing this one-handed because we can. We don't need to turn off the cameras. Maybe this'll do. Okay. There we go. Why is it so dark? Okay. Let's adjust the light. That's better. Okay. And
Here you are.
cool. Thanks. See you later, Angelica. And he floats away. No. Oh, Lord. Oh my gosh. Go in place. There we go. Do you see what I have to work with? Okay. 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 Cool. Thanks, Angelica. It's fucking Angela. Okay.
Nope, my hand is in the way.
Nope. Better. Okay. Thanks for ruining my life. Oh, fuck. I got that. You lying? Fuck. Okay, we're just gonna put it on our face. And we're good. Okay, no. It's a gun. Don't act like you don't know. Janice. Oh my god. That's better. Okay. What? Babe, I swear I don't know what you're talking about. No. What? Babe, I swear I have no idea what you're talking about. Why are you blurry?
Forgive me. No, I don't like that.
How dare you? No, I don't like that. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Focus. Shut up. Focus. Good enough.
Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna find that traitorous bitch whore and give her a lesson. Toodles!
Whoa. She's freaky weird. Dude, what have you even seen her? How long have you been standing there? Long enough. Long enough to know that... What the hell is on my thumb? Okay. Dude, shut the fuck up. Why are you... Whoa! Why don't you come over here and make me?
Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna find that traitorish. Why are you not? You can't even speak properly and then my camera. Focus. Now, I'm gonna find that traitorish whore. Traitorish.
Oh no.
Ugh! This is what happens when you film with one hand. This is why I need a tripod. Get off of me! No, okay, wait, I can't do that. Ooh. I'm going to kill you.
Yeah, sounds about right. Why are we even friends with you? Okay, wait.